guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke, and what we have here today is a 1988 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Now, the Grand Wagoneer made its debut in 1960. It was originally a variant, a more luxurious variant of the regular Jeep Wagoneer, and people loved this thing for its off-road capabilities, luxury amenities, and overall space that this thing offered. So it was a fantastic choice for families and for outdoorsmen alike. Now, before I tell you more about this car, a quick word from our sponsor.
To drive foreign cars.
All right, looking at the engine bay here, this vehicle has undergone a full nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Now, what we're looking at is a 360 cubic inch V8 engine, and it's paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission. Pretty short and sweet, but I want to jump into this exterior because it's absolutely gorgeous. Starting off with this exterior, the wood vinyl was carefully recreated. The yellowed plastic drip edges were replaced with fabricated stainless steel to match the original plastic. Now, the driveline and suspension system are completely rebuilt during the restoration process. You got new leaf springs, custom made to the original factory specifications. These were installed to provide, that improved ride quality, but also, modern safety. And all the brake and transmission lines were replaced with stainless steel to enhance, corrosion resistance and bring, longevity to a vehicle like this. Additionally, all rubber parts, weather stripping, seals, and hoses were replaced with OEM or aircraft grade components to ensure you get that reliability and longevity. The vacuum hoses were replaced with thick-walled silicone hoses, color-coded for easy identification. The restoration culminated in a meticulous paint job with extra coats of clear coat to ensure this thing is going to last. All right, as we take a look at the interior, every component, every accessory, including the door lock actuators, power window motors, and more, underwent disassembly and rebuilding to meet new specifications. The headliner, which previously sagged, as they did, was replaced. And there was also some soundproofing that was added to ensure, a quiet ride. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Just nice, short, and sweet. Wanted to show you what was kind of going on with this thing because it's absolutely beautiful, and everyone, as you can tell, is walking by checking this thing out. Now, I would love to hear your comments down below, so let us know your thoughts and if you would rock one of these things.